Hello, guys. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. A very good morning. Very good morning, guys. Turn on camera. We start our class ASAP. Okay. So, what we were doing? What we were doing? We were doing questions. Solved one, no? And we learned the like how chlorine and how this thing is formed. Healthy and आपने भी हार्दिक से भी वगैरह पे किस तरह है पैसा हाँ क्या डाल लेके आए उसके बाद में सब्जी ला फिर आता था 17 तो ऊपर था Just give me a second, guys. It's taking down. So we did this thing. Okay, so guys, what we learned? We learned that like with the help of baking, like how this chlorine gas and everything is formed. Okay, by the help of that process is called as chlor-alkali process. Now today we will learn about the uh, making of. Today what we gonna learn? Today we will learn about the making of bleaching powder. So just for a revision, just on anode, what we got on anode, which is a positive terminal, what we got?
Chlorine gas.
Yeah, correct. So basically, with the like we learn in the chlor alkali process, and in chlor alkali process at anode we got chlorine gas, and at cathode we got H2 gas. Okay, so we will use this chlorine gas. Okay, and this chlorine gas will react with CaOH whole twice 2. CaOH whole twice means this is called as calcium hydroxide. Okay, calcium hydroxide, which will give CaOCl2, calcium oxychloride, and water. This calcium oxychloride, calcium, okay, calcium oxychloride is called as bleaching powder. Okay, it is called as bleaching powder. Okay, this calcium oxychloride. Now, what is bleaching powder basically? Like if white shirt get one stain, that stain can be removed with the help of bleaching powder. Like in we have bleaching solution. It's a liquid type. When you will pour out on the white shirt, all the stain will remove. Okay, so that is called as bleaching powder, which help in the removing the stain. Means basically which help in the uh, removing of the stain or the color or anything. Are you getting it, David? And me letting turn on the camera, please. Did you understand, guys? No. Hello. Are you getting me? Yeah. David, Miracle, turn on the camera, please.
Yeah, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Can you tell that again, the whole thing? I can't understand
See,
properly.
like in the chlor-alkali process, which we learned on Friday, that at anode we will get chlorine gas, and at cathode we will get hydrogen gas. Now, this chlorine gas, when react with calcium hydroxide, which is also called as, anybody can give me another name? Yes, Jashan. Another name of the calcium hydroxide is lime water. Another name, slake lime. This is another name. Okay. So when you will react the chlorine with the slake lime or lime water or calcium hydroxide, we will get calcium oxychloride, which is called as bleaching powder. And H2O, water will release. Now, this bleaching powder is basically used for the removing the stain of the clothes. If there is a stain, color, decolorization also, we will use bleaching powder. Okay. So now this can be prepared by the process of Henson-Clever plant. Henson-Clever plant. Now everyone please pay attention. This is slake lime, which is also called as CaOH whole twice 2. Okay, you will put in this. Then it will rotate, rotate, rotate. And with this rotation, we will insert chlorine gas in this. Like we have this reaction, no? We have this reaction, no? This one. So this is slake lime, which we are putting here. This is chlorine gas, which we are putting here. And in the last, we will get this bleaching powder. And the formula for the bleaching powder is CaOCl2, which is called as calcium oxychloride. Calcium oxychloride. Are you getting this, guys? No. Hmm? Write it down quickly. Yes, guys. Done? Shall we move forward?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, um, now everyone please pay attention. This is important. Now we will learn about baking soda. Baking soda. Now, what is the formula for baking soda? Agatha?
Baking soda is base, right?
Yeah. What is the formula for that? We discuss it.
Well, you mean you all discussed it last time?
No, no, not last time. Last to last, last to last. Like when you are present. It is called as sodium hydrogen carbonate,
Yeah, right.
or you said right. It means that you know this. So sodium
Hydrogen carbonate or sodium
bicarbonate.
bicarbonate.
And what is the formula for that?
Something like a bicarbonate or bicarbonate plus some.
No, no,
I
no, 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 no.
not
What is the
one.
formula for that? Sodium
Sodium and
NaHCO3.
oh yeah, okay.
Okay. So this is sodium bicarbonate, and it is mild base. Mild base means it is little bit basic, like I mean good basic. Okay. it is mild basic is used. So if it is mild basic, mild means, what is the meaning of mild? If I'm not saying it wrong, David, what's the meaning of mild?
The taste is not like very um acidic or something.
No, the word mild. What is the meaning of mild?
Oh my, uh, not
Meaning
like,
it's good, good basic,
yeah, it's like
maybe.
in between.
Yeah,
Not like
it is
too strong
mild.
or too
Yeah, it
strong
is
or like
mild
too weak.
basic. Yeah, it's not too strong or too weak. It's mid type. Okay, so mild basic. The baking soda is mild basic in nature. Now, how the baking soda is formed? Okay, so I will ask this question from Jashron. Jashron, tell me the reaction in which carbon dioxide will evaporate. Tell me any reaction. I'm not asking one reaction. Any reaction. Tell me,
I
Jashron.
can't remember, sir.
Why? Why you didn't remember, beta? Any reaction? Agatha, you know any reaction in which carbon dioxide is released? And we learned in the previous classes.
I remember something like with some bicarbonate plus some
Uh,
H plus, right?
metal carbonate or
Yeah,
bicarbonate,
yeah.
anything you can take with
Metacarbonate or
acid,
bicarbonate plus, yeah, acid, that's H plus, which will
then it will give
Ne, no,
metal
wait,
salt,
yeah, metal salt or Na, and then it carbon dioxide release,
carbon
right?
dioxide, and H2O will be there. This will we learn.
Yes.
Yes or no? So, for example, if I will take CaCO3, which is calcium carbonate, okay?
Sir,
Yes,
is salt just metal salt? Na.
yeah, any metal salt. It's calcium. Like in this case, we are using calcium, then calcium will be the metal salt. Got it? No.
Got it, sir.
Okay, now everyone please pay attention. Now calcium carbonate is also called as limestone or marble. We can say marble also. So sometimes in the question it is written as marble. So marble, like like floor marble, guys, floor marble and all. So that is also made up of limestone. Now everyone please pay attention, guys. Please pay attention, otherwise you will not get anything. So just now, when calcium carbonate is react with acid like HCl, so what it will form?
Calcium chloride,
Which is formula?
CaCl, I guess.
Okay, like Ca has the valency 2, Cl has the valency 1. Now what it will become?
CaCl2.
Yes, CaCl2 plus carbon dioxide will release plus H2O will be there. Now what we will do, guys, everyone please pay attention. Miracle and everyone please pay attention. I request you. Now I will take this carbon dioxide gas. I will trap this carbon dioxide gas, and then I will take Na2CO3, which is also called as sodium carbonate. Okay, sodium carbonate. Okay, and in this sodium carbonate, I will take this carbon dioxide gas. Which gas? This carbon dioxide gas. Okay, this which I trap it from the above reaction. I will take this plus ammonia. I will take. This is called as ammonia. Okay, and H2O I will take. Did you understand, guys, what I take? I'm repeating again because sodium, like the formula is sodium bicarbonate. So I need sodium. Okay, I need sodium. So that's why I take sodium carbonate salt. Not sodium carbonate. Sorry. My bad. That's why I was thinking why I was wrong. I will not take sodium carbonate. I will take Sodium chloride. Oh my God. NaCl. Like देश का नमक, Tata नमक. We learn. And water. And I told you before also. Jashan will tell me. Today Jashan uh, is the answer of my KBC questions. Okay. So NaCl plus water is called NaCl plus water is called.
Brine solution.
Yes, brine solution. So for who? Agatha. Brine solution is nothing. Just if you will take a salt, like Desh ka namak, Tata namak, which you are eating at house, and if you will dissolve in water, then go and say to your mama, then mama, I make one product called as brine solution. Nothing else. Namak plus water. Okay. Got it? So this is called as brine solution. So in the brine solution, we will use the carbon dioxide which we got from the above reaction and ammonia. Then you know what will it will form? It will form NaHCO3, okay, which is also called as for sodium. Repeat after me. Sodium bicarbonate, or it is also called as baking soda. Am I wrong? Yes, I am wrong. Who is saying wrong? David.
Sir,
Yes.
how's it bicarbonate is when there's CO3, right?
No, HCO3 is called as bicarbonate. Only CO3 is carbonate.
Okay, Na is sodium and HCO3 is bicarbonate.
Yes, bicarbonate we can say hydrogen carbonate, anything that you like.
Okay.
He doesn't have any problem. Got it? NaHCO3, and then we will got NH4Cl, and then we will got what we will got? H2O. Let me check one more time. No, we'll not get any H2O. H2O, you pour. Okay, so what was I saying? David, if your struggle is off, then we can learn this. So NH4Cl, this is called as ammonium chloride. And I told you before also about ammonium chloride. So who will tell me? David will tell me. David, kill this ammonium chloride. Tell me what is the meaning of ammonium chloride? How is nature?
Oh, I don't have.
I'm saying we learn about ammonium chloride in the previous classes. So can you tell me about ammonium chloride?
Uh, I don't remember.
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes.
I don't
David.
remember the ammonium chloride.
You didn't remember it?
No.
Why, David? Why? We learn about like ammonium hydroxide when react with weak base. This ammonium hydroxide is weak base. Now, David, why it is a weak base? Can you tell me this thing?
I don't know.
Say loudly. Hello.
Yeah.
Why it's a weak base? Because it partially releases the OH minus ion, simple as that. And when we'll take strong acid, then it will make ammonium chloride. So what is the nature of ammonium chloride? You tell me, David. Is it basic, acidic, or neutral?
It will be acid.
Yeah, it will be acidic in nature. So this salt is acidic in nature. So that was I am trying to say. Got it?
So can you
No.
give some time for us to write?
Hmm?
Can you give some time for us to write?
The purple one.
No, I need to start from metal carbonate plus acid.
Yeah, you have to write all these things. The purple one, it's your choice if you want to write. Like just like I gave this. Why? Because I want you guys to understand that we get NaHCO3, which is a sodium bicarbonate, which is a basic salt, and this ammonium chloride, which is called as acidic salt. And this baking soda we are using for the cake and everything. Got it? No. Now everyone please pay attention. First, let me write, then I will give you time to write. David, pen down, pen down, pen down. Okay. So now there are two types of things are there in the market. First is baking soda, and the second one is baking powder. The first one is baking soda. The second one is baking powder. Okay, so I told you baking soda is mild basic. Okay, mild basic. But baking powder is less basic than baking soda. Okay, so it is called as mild basic. Okay, it is less basic than baking soda. Okay, it is less basic than baking soda. Guys, are you getting this? No. Yes or no? Okay. Now, how like baking soda? Now, everyone, please pay attention. Agatha, don't write better. Baking soda has a formula NaHCO3, which is sodium bicarbonate. Just now we learned. Did you understand, guys? No. Hmm? Baking powder is also NaHCO3. Oh my god. Got it? Both have same formula. They don't have different formula. They both have same formula.
So they both
Yes.
have same formula, but then how like one is slightly more acidic than the other one?
Yes. Yeah. Good question. So you ate termite, not termite, that imli, puri. In Malayalam we get puri. You ate
Huh?
puri?
No, I don't think so.
No, in sambar we ate puri. We put puri into it.
No, we put
Oh,
we put that batura, call it batura because I can't pronounce puri, right? Okay. We dip it in potato curry. But what is about with that and this equation?
Yeah. So baking soda is mild basic, and I told you baking powder is less basic as compared to baking soda. Why? Because puri, not puri, whatever the termine, okay, that has tartaric acid. Repeat after me. Tartaric. If I am not spelling tartaric acid, which is very less acidic. Okay, that one very less acidic. Okay, when I will add this tartaric acid into it, I will get baking powder. So the basicity of the baking soda will be little less, and it become
So
baking powder.
so just that tartaric acid is just added to baking soda, making it less mild basic.
Then it become baking powder.
Oh, I see. Okay.
No, I see. No, I did.
No,
That's why
I
I
know.
got
No,
baking
what I
powder.
mean is that so if tartaric acid is added to baking soda, it becomes baking powder.
Oh, very good. You're a genius. Got it? Yes or no? So this is basically the baking soda baking powder. Now this process is called as Solvay process. Yes, is this like we got by the help of Sir Solvay. So Solvay process. Okay, guys. Yes, Deshaun, please.
Sir, is it tartaric acid or tartaric acid?
Tartaric acid. Let me check the spelling. Let me check the spelling.
I think tartaric.
Tartaric Tartaric. This is the spelling. I wrote Tartic. No, it's wrong. It's Tartaric. Oh. Tartaric. Tartaric. Now you guys can write it down. Today. Miracle, are you getting this, beta? No. Miracle, are you there, beta? No.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir. I'm here. I'm here.
You got this?
Yeah.
So you do cooking?
Yes, sir. Like,
So when you will make cake, then say, Mama, that this is baking powder, this is baking soda. The difference is adding of tartaric acid into it. Then you can flex in front of your mama. Oh, my baby know everything. Like that.
yes. Yesterday only we made a cake.
Oh, very good. So you use baking soda or baking powder?
Baking powder.
Hello, can you hear me now?
Yeah, now we can hear.
Yeah. So what salt you use?
Baking powder.
Baking powder. Yes.
So, so difference between that in that soda and powder is like the tartaric acid.
Yeah, tartaric acid is added so that like if you will use baking soda instead of baking powder, then it will be little bit bitter cake. The cake will be little bit bitter,
Okay.
more bitter. So yeah.
I remember somewhere like my mom once we were making that batura or another snack, and she said that one of these, yeah, baking powder will help puff up the stuff. Or was a baking soda? Puff up the food,
Yes. Both. Yes.
both will.
Now how I will tell you now. Just you write it down, then I will write. Otherwise, you guys will write and then I will sing it. Then you will not understand anything. So you guys write it down, then I will write something. What happened to my mobile? Why it's burning?
The one same thing happened to me. So I put ice back on.
What happened, David? Say loudly, beta.
The same thing happened to mine. So like I put the ice back on it.
Yeah. Either my network is not good. What happened to my network, bro? Jashan says anything?
So could it possibly be because of the resistance in your phone? So the electrons in the electricity is not charging properly or something?
No, my mobile is charged, but it's burned and everything is not working. Okay, guys, you guys understand? Yes or no? Now the question can come, and Miracle can explain this to her younger sister that if you will, why you use baking powder in it? Okay. The question is why you use baking powder in cake or baking soda, whatever you guys use. Why? Why? So the answer of this logic is very simple. See, if I will take like baking powder and baking soda both have same formula, I'm using this. And if I will simply like when you will put a cake or baking powder anything, you have to heat that thing. You have to heat that thing. This is a sign of heat. This is a sign of heat. Everyone, please pay attention. Then you know what will happen. Then Na2CO3 plus carbon dioxide gas plus H2O will be there. So this carbon dioxide, like for example, if this is inside the cake, like this carbon dioxide will trap inside the, like carbon dioxide will release. Everyone please pay attention. Hello guys, please pay attention. For example, this is a cake mixture and this carbon dioxide will trap inside the cake. Okay. Why? Because carbon dioxide wants to come out, but it will not come out because of the mixture. This carbon dioxide will go up, and because it will go up, it will become little bit swole and fluffy type. Okay. So
Whenever we,
yeah,
sir, so whenever we eat
yeah.
cake, we actually eat in carbon dioxide.
No, but when you will cut it, then the gas will come out. No?
Okay.
What the- That's why the cake has that
So,
small
but what
pores,
about
holes type.
when you drink soda, like that, you have started breathing carbon dioxide?
Yeah, so if you will eat soda, your stomach had HCl, then the burp which used to come will be the carbon dioxide. Got it? Yes or no?
Yes.
So anything, if you will pakoda, the crispy pakoda, we used pinch of baking soda. Now because pakoda name came, I have waterfall in my mouth. So this all thing we use this baking soda or baking powder to make it little bit crispy, whatever the thing. Okay, write it down. Done, guys. Done. Done with the writing work? No, Agatha.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Then write, please. David, I can only see David, the curtain and the wall. Can you put camera a little bit down, beta? Thank you very much. Oh. Done, guys.
Sir, the same thing will happen if you also put baking soda in a cake, right? The
Yeah,
cake will.
but the thing will be, the difference between them will be like baking soda. When the cake you will put, it will become bitter, like थोड़ा कड़वा कड़वा सा आने लग जाएगा. It will be bitter, bitter
So we
in
must
taste.
always follow the recipe, like which is baking soda and baking powder. The difference should be in our head, right?
Yeah, yeah. So like in my childhood time, in 7th or 8th class, my mama used to say, like, I also best chef. Okay, so uh, so basically, my mama was putting baking soda, baking powder. So I said, like, mama, tell me that please bring baking soda. Okay, I said, okay, I'm bringing it. So then I said, there is no baking soda. Then my mama said that, no, 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 bring the baking powder. I said, okay, okay. So there is baking powder. I said, you asked me for baking soda. So she says that both are same. Both are same. There's a different packaging, different name. Like some has some put baking powder, and some put baking soda. So now in 10th class, because I learned this thing, I am flexing in front of my mom. Say, this baking soda and baking powder both are different. You are wrong. You are teaching me wrong. Now I will teach you the correct way. That's it. Okay, so baking soda and baking powder both are different. The difference is only that the baking soda is more basic and baking powder is less basic. So if you need, uh, like if a substance, uh, like if you're making that idli, sambar, dosa, chutney, that thing if you will make, that idli need baking soda or baking powder we can put. So if you will make it a bit more bitter, you can put baking soda. We can clean our clothes also with the help of baking soda. Yes.
Well, we mainly use we used to process fermentation for idli and all, right?
Yeah.
Does fermentation includes this or no? It's it's
See,
the
fermentation is what is the meaning of fermentation? What is the definition of fermentation? You tell me, Agatha.
it is the okay, like you put like yeast in a it is like what can I say?
And what
Yeah.
yeast do? What will
Yeast
yeast
to
do?
yeast to keep multiplying. And as it
Multiplying
multiplies, it
then.
releases CO2 and then the
So
the food in
in
which
baking soda, what we are getting at the end?
CO2 is being released.
So
No.
instead of yeast, if you will put baking soda, then they both have same thing. No?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Yeast will make the substance non-veg. Baking soda will make it veg. Got it? Now, okay. So yeah. So we'll read this. Who will read this? Jashan, please go ahead.
Process. In Solvay's process, carbon dioxide is obtained by heating limestone strongly. Serge, do I read the formulas as well?
Yeah, not read the reaction because we just wrote the reaction. Now you
What is the
read the next line.
The Solvay's process is what we learn now, right?
Yes, this whole process is Solvay process.
It is then sorry. It is then passed through cold brine, a concentrated solution of NaCl and water, which has previously been saturated with ammonia. NaHCO3 is sparingly soluble in water and crystallizes out as white crystals. Its solution in water is basic in nature. It is a mild and non-corrosive base. Action of heat. On heating, sodium hydrogen carbonate is converted into sodium carbonate, and carbon dioxide is given off.
Okay. Next, use. Now the question can come like this, guys. The important question can come like this: that what is the formula of baking powder, or how it is formed? Okay, and what are the uses? 5 marks question. Another type of question can come like this: an element X is used in making cake. What is the element X? Write the chemical formula, write its uses and how it is formed. 5 marks question. So we know that in making cake we use baking soda or baking powder. So we take baking soda. Then how it is formed? Brine solution, ammonia, carbon dioxide, then we will get that thing. And the uses, so uses you have to write minimum 3 or 4. Okay, uses you have to write minimum 3 or 4. So these are the three big minimum uses. So we'll read this. Yes, just go ahead.
Use. Used for cooking of certain foods. For making baking powder, a mixture of sodium hydrogen carbonate and tartaric acid. On heating during baking, baking soda gives off carbon dioxide. It is this carbon dioxide which raises the dough. The sodium carbonate produced on heating the baking soda gives a bitter taste. Therefore, instead of using the baking soda alone, baking powder is used. The tartaric acid present in it neutralizes the sodium carbonate to avoid this bitter taste. Cakes and pastries are made fluffy and soft by using baking powder. In medicine, being a mild and non-corrosive base, baking soda is used in medicines to neutralize the excessive acid in the stomach and provide relief.
Yeah, correct. So if some, like, it's a quick relief process. Like if mama said it, oh, it's burning, it's acidity in my esophagus, it's burning. You guys can use, Daikin, or if nothing is there, you guys can use a glass water of baking soda also. That will also releases the stomach. Why? Because acidity means acid flux means good acid is there in the stomach, which is coming to your esophagus, which burning the esophagus. This is the meaning of acidity. So what we can do, we can give base, like acid plus base will neutralize it, and the burning sensation will go off. So in medicine we can use. You got it? No, David didn't get it. Yes, David. That's why he's playing with the pencil. Yes, David. Got it?
Yeah.
David.
Yes, sir.
So now David become Dr. David. So anybody will have that acid flux, then he will go and he will give the baking soda with water. Okay, so that, oh, mama, now become a doctor. Yes. Now in soda acid fire extinguisher. Yes, just Ron. So in soda acid fire extinguisher also it is. Okay, why we use? I will ask this question from David. Why we will use soda acid fire extinguisher?
Because it increases O2 and fire needs oxygen to the.
How?
So why do we wait? Repeat the question again?
Say loudly, little loudly.
So can you repeat the question again?
I'm asking why baking soda is used in soda acid fire extinguisher.
Because in the reaction, the the baking soda it releases CO2, and because of that,
Then
it puts out the fire.
how CO2 put off the fire?
Oxygen needs fire needs oxygen to burn,
Hmm.
and if you like cover it with CO2, it doesn't have any oxygen to burn.
Yeah, correct. See, guys, when you blow off the candle will, what will candle will happen? Uh, Candle will be blown off. Means बुझ जाएगा. In Hindi, it is called बुझ जाएगा. Okay, so
It will be extinguished.
huh?
It will be extinguished, right?
It will be extinguished. Okay. If I will use, like, I'm giving air. So in my childhood time, I used to get, oh, with the help of air, I am extinguishing it. Okay. But if you will take a spray bottle, okay, if you will take a spray bottle, don't take it because otherwise there is a burning house. So if you will take a spray bottle and if you will spray
I
in
have
front
done
of
it.
candle,
I've
yeah,
done it.
done it. Okay, then that's why I can see the red mark on this cheek. So because of that spray bottle, if you will put in front of candle, then you know what happened. The candle will not extinguish; it will blown more aggressively. Did you understand? So what I'm trying to say, when we blow off the candle, we are giving carbon dioxide. What, because what gas we release? Carbon dioxide. like this. Carbon dioxide is coming, and that carbon dioxide is basically extinguishes. Basically, how we can extinguish the fire. The main funda is just remove the oxygen. Remove the oxygen, the fire will extinguish. So what will happen when we give water also? Then water make a cover over the wood. The uh, oxygen, all this thing done, and the fire extinguishes. Like the cutoff will be there of the oxygen. So, for example, if I will like there is a wood. David, don't laugh, beta. This is my best drawing which I am trying. Like for example, this is the fire. Okay, this is the fire. Ouch! Oh my God. काश मैंने अपनी drawing में ध्यान दिया होता. Okay, so for example, if I will use carbon dioxide, then what this soda acid will do? This will make a cover of carbon dioxide over it. Hence, the oxygen supply, which helps in burning, that will break, and the fire will be done. The fire will be done. This is how Holy Spirit helps us to get off our anger. Okay, like our anger, we will become more aggressive. But Holy Spirit make a cover over us and say, calm down, beta, calm down. You can take it. Don't react it. Just respond it. Think and respond it. Then we will cut off with our thoughts, and then we will become calm, sweet. Oh, thank you. Like that. Understood? Got it? So this was I'm trying to say. Now, what is soda ash extinguisher? So in the bottle of soda ash, where is the bottle of soda ash? For example, this is the soda ash bottle. Okay. In this, we have acid inside it because acid is there, na, soda ash. Okay. And there is a salt called as NaHCO3 that just now we learned. When we will pull the pin, like in extinguisher, we have to pull the pin. So when we will pull the pin, this bottle will break and the salt will dissolve in acid. And just now we learned when a metal carbonate or metal bicarbonate react with acid gives us carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide then with pressurized carbon dioxide will put it on the fire. Did you understand, guys, how it works?
Sir, we can
Yes.
use or sand as well, right? Instead of a fire.
Say loudly.
Can we use sand instead of a fire?
Yeah, you can put sand. So that is why in a petrol pump or in railway station, you will see there is a bucket, and in that bucket, it is necessary to have sand on it because in like if I'll talk about petrol, like petrol pump, in petrol pump, if fire will be there, you can't use water because water will not able to cut off this thing. Okay, water will not cut off the petrol. You need sand to cut off it, or you can use fire extinguisher like carbon dioxide, which
Wait.
cover
So,
up the petrol. Yeah,
how can sand help? Does sand acts like a blanket or something?
yeah, it's like a blanket. It's like a blanket. Okay. Uh, uh, the thing is, uh, what was I trying to say? Like in electricity, fire also like a fire which is like electricity, because of electricity the fire came. So in that also you guys need to use fire extinguisher or uh, sand. Otherwise, if you will use a water, then the scene
Great to have
which
it.
I played in the, yeah, you can help a lunch with Jesus also. Okay, and otherwise you will become like this, like that. So don't be like that. Be smart, be skillful, guys. You are learning 10, so you use fire extinguisher or sand. You can use sand also, not wet sand, dry sand. If you're making clay house and then you just put a clay house into it, there will be no help in that. Okay. Did you understand? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will learn uh, washing soda. So before learning washing soda, I want you guys to learn. I want you guys to learn about crystallization. 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 Oh, crystallization. Crystallization. Okay. So we will before going to the crystallization process, I will take 2 minutes break. Then we will guys come back. Then we will learn about the crystallization. Come back in 2 minutes. एक बार मैं क्लास ले लूँ फिर तुम्हें मैं ले लूंगा. Hello guys, come back quickly. We have to complete this chapter by any means. Okay, so we will learn the meaning of crystallization. So crystallization basically, everyone turn on the camera, please. David, Agatha, directly. Switch the camera. Now crystallization. So we will understand the meaning of crystallization. Okay. Um, you eat that sugar crystal, correct? We everyone eat. Now you guys know Mishri. You know Mishri. What is Mishri? Miracle, what we say Mishri in English? You know Mishri? Anybody knows Mishri? It's like it's sugar only, but in different shape. Like normally sugar is like square in shape, but
Crystals?
Mishri is like any shape. Huh?
Crystals?
Yeah, crystals. Like it's like a rope is there in that Mishri. Um, you know.
Think
Mm,
I also heard it just mystery. Any idea, Jashru?
mm, let me check. Sugar Mishri in English. Sugar mystery in English. What is called?
Kalkand.
Rock sugar. Rock sugar. In Malayalam. Oh, it's written something in Malayalam only. Dangevali.
Kalkand.
Yeah, I think it's Kalkan.
You know Kalkand? Kalkandam. 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 That's the same thing. Okay, you know Kalkandam? You know Kalkandam? That is the sugar crystal. Like normal sugar is like this. Normal sugar is like this. Okay. But
Sir,
Kalkandam will be like this. Yes.
actually what they so that means even if it's not microscoped, the sugar pieces will be visibly seen as different.
No. It's not about microscope. It's normal only. Like normal when you eat sugar, when you go to your kitchen and you eat sugar, then what will you get? The normal sugar crystal, like square in shape, this shape. Okay. The Kalkandam is look like this only.
The Kalkandam always looks like this, even in our naked eyes.
Yeah, normal eyes. I will show you the picture. Yeah. What is this? I will download this. Come on, bro, download it. This is not fair, guys. Where is Kalkandam? Sorry. Sugar Mishori. Now, download the image. Download again. Go to the Zoom. Now, upload. This image. And the image will pop off like this. Can you see this? This type of sugar.
Yeah, I remember this. It's something like Kalkandam, right?
Yeah, that is Kalkandam. Yeah. So this is basically the sugar mystery which I am talking about. So this sugar and this sugar, they both are same. Like this is in the form of normal granules. Okay, now it become a this shape. How it is formed, that we're gonna learn. How it is formed. Like we can at home also we can make this. Okay, at home also we can make this. Like this to this we can make it. And why? How the process of crystallization. With the help of crystallization, we can make this. Got it, guys? Yes or no? Okay. Now, how and what is crystallization? So basically, crystallization means, everyone please pay attention. Okay. Crystallization crystallization is basically the process in which it is forming of crystal, like we can see the picture. It is a forming of crystal. Yes, David.
So you say the can convert
Loudly.
you say can convert the normal sphere to
It's very low.
so you said it can like convert the square to
No, you say sir loudly, otherwise all sentence becomes slow.
you said it would like convert the square crystal into something. So what is that?
Sir, I think he said that you had said
Yeah.
you can convert the square ones into the crystals, and
Sugar
I
crystal.
get the rest of what he was saying.
Huh? What? Say again. I convert sugar into sugar crystal. Then
I didn't get the rest of what he was trying to say.
So how do you do it?
how do you do it? Yeah, we are doing it. We will do it. I'll tell you. Okay. Okay. Now everyone, please pay attention. Agata. No. I saw that. No, Agata. No. Yeah, perfect. So crystallization is forming of crystal. Now, crystal means, okay, crystal basically why they are different, because in this there is a adding of water in molecular form. In molecular form. Okay. So crystals, like they have water in molecular form. That's why they have this type of shape. That's why they have this type of state. Now, how we will make it? So, if I will take a salt like copper sulfate, CuSO4, a salt like CuSO4. This is copper sulfate. Is there any water in it? No, there is no water in it. Okay, molecular state, there is no water in it. Okay, the basically meaning of a molecular state will be like if I am taking CuSO4, it will become CuSO4.5H2O. That is called as molecular state. And when you will make a crystal of copper, it will be gonna be look like this only, the sugar crystal in the picture. Got it? Okay. How this 5H2O came, we will learn this. Okay. See, listen, guys. So CuSO4 is there, salt. I will simply add water into it. Now, in this case, the water is added in normal form. It's not molecular form. I have to make it molecular form. Guys, did you understand? Like when I'm adding water into it, okay, so it's a normal water soluble form, like salt and plus water. Simple as that. Okay, so it is CuSO4.10H2. So I take a test tube, okay, and in that test tube, I took water, okay, and in that water, I added this salt, CuSO4. This is basically CuSO4. Okay, we will see the video also in the end. CuSO4. Okay, now this CuSO4 which is added, I will boil it. It will dissolve, the water will become normal. Like when we add salt into the water becomes transparent. Na? In the same way, this CuSO4, when I will dissolve it, it becomes transparent. Then I will boil it. Okay, I will boil it. How will I boil it?
Sir,
I will boil it like this. Yeah.
CuSO4 is the sugar, right?
No, it's not sugar. It's normal salt which we are taking. Okay, that I want to make a crystal of it. So how crystallization happen, I am just telling it to you. Okay, so I will simply boil this. What will I boil? I will boil this test tube, which is having a mixture of CuSO4 and water. This is basically CuSO4 plus water. Okay. Then what will happen? I will filter it. I will filter it in a beaker. This is a filter paper. Okay. And I will filter it to remove the impurities. So this is again, it's only a CuSO4 plus water. Okay. Then I will get into the test tube like this.
Sir, I didn't hear what you said. Your voice was not there for a bit.
I was saying that when I will filter it, I will put this filtrate again into the test tube. Okay. This filtrate into the test tube like this. Okay. This is again the filtrate. Then I will again boil it. I will again boil it.
So you basically just put the solution into a beaker, which just pass through the filter tube, and then the solution still remain the same. Again, put it back in the beak in that tube.
And again the test tube, and the test tube again I boil it. Now after the boiling, when boiling will come, after it I will take this test tube immediately into the ice bath. Now what is ice bath? So in ice bath there will be a bowl which have ice into it like this, and in that ice I will not pour out, I will just put the test tube into it. I will just put a test tube into it which have this thing. Yes.
Won't the test tube crack because you have to use it?
No. The test tube is made up of borosilicate. The test tube is made up of borosilicate, and it basically not crack. Even high temperature or low temperature or temperature change, no problem with that. Okay. So did you understand this process till now? Did you understand this process till now? First I take solution, I boil it, filter it, again boil it, and then I put into the ice bath. This is called as ice bath.
Sir,
Yeah.
what happened when the solution's being filtered? Did impurities get caught?
Impurities removed. The impurities is removed. Okay.
And then again heat it.
Mhm.
Then we again
Then again heat it.
Put in that ice bath.
Yeah, put it into the ice bath. And when I will, like after some time, when I will remove it from the ice bath, I will saw some crystal is made. Some crystal is made like this. Like this, some crystal will form, and this crystal is basically CuSO4.5H2O. Means that now the water is added into a molecular state. Okay, and this is also called as blue vitriol. It is called as blue vitriol. Like when molecular is added into a molecular state, like water is added into a molecular state, it is called as blue vitriol. So this is the process of crystallization. I got crystal like this. Got it, guys? Okay. Take the solution, add it into a water, filter paper it, boil it, filter paper it, then again boil it and put it into the ice bath, and then you will get blue vitriol, which is a crystal of copper sulfate. Got it? Yes or no? So now if you want to take sugar and if you want to do it like this only. Take water, add sugar into it, boil it, filter it, boil it into the ice bath, you will get the sugar crystal like this.
So
Do you understand?
CuSO4 is salt.
Like normal sugar, yeah.
But aren't we supposed to put sugar in the water to get sugar? These type of things. These are sugar, right?
Yeah, you can. Yes, you can.
Then why do we put salt?
Now, the copper sulfate salt I took because it's a sauce, like it's easy to understand. Sugar formula is different. Okay, CuSO4, like it's in your course now. That's why I take it to make you understand. The sugar
So
crystal is the example. If you want to take salt crystal, you can make salt crystal also. You can make sugar crystal also.
salt or sugar crystal?
This is salt, normal salt. CuSO4 is a salt. It's not. You can't use CuSO4 in your food. Okay, you can use only NaCl. CuSO4 is normal salt.
Okay. And what's the 0.5 H2O?
0.5 H2O means the H2O is added into the molecular form to get this crystal.
Like what?
0.5 H2O, 0.5 H2O means, like if I will write the final reaction, it is CuSO4 dot plus 5 H2O after the process of crystallization, it becomes CuSO4 dot 5 H2. Means with the help of crystallization, the water which was added, now it is in the form of crystal form. This is basically why, because it's a crystal form. So 0.5 H2O means water is added into a molecular form to get the crystal. This is the meaning of that. Yes. David, it's raining there. Sound like it's coming in from your mic. Mic is like raining. White noise. Yes, say something.
So right, I see
Yes, Jashan, please tell me what he's saying.
David, can you repeat that, please?
so right, I see food.
Can I write CuSO4?
In your food, right? Add it in your food.
Is your fan on, David?
So can you hear me now?
Yeah, now it is a little bit better. Yeah.
Why can't you add CuSO4 in your food?
Yeah, CuSO4 in your food because it is not a normal salt. CuSO4 is normal, not a normal salt. CuSO4 has different characteristics and NaCl has different characteristics. CuSO4 will harm us. NaCl will not harm us.
Okay.
Okay, done? Then I will show you the video.
Not yet, sir.
Everyone make it. Or Agatha, you do one thing. You take screenshot and put it in the
I
group
am
also.
using the computer. Maybe someone else can take a screenshot and okay.
Justin can take screen. Justin take screenshot and put it into the this thing group.
You know you can take a screenshot on a computer, right?
Well, I don't know how, David.
It's Windows Shift S.
Okay, guys. Just see. देखिए छोटे मैं इसमें कॉपर लिपट को दिखा देता हूँ. Okay, I got the video. देखिए छोटे. We can use this one. Okay, shall I remove the board?
video? Oh yeah, you
Yeah,
can.
I got the screenshot.
Yeah. So this is the preparation of crystal of copper sulfate. So we will see this. No need of sound. So you can see there is some apparatus is there. He's adding copper sulfate into it. Oh, done. Okay. So the end result is like when he's doing like this, the result is this crystal. Okay. So we can we with the help of all this thing, we can say that the copper sulfate which is formed is gonna be look like this. If I will show you one more picture, it's gonna be look like this. Like after the last step, it will be. You can check that. When you will put it for some time, you will get crystal like this. Got it? So how the crystal is formed? Because of that oil. Guys, did you understand?
So crystallization is the formation of crystal, but different substance have different ways of making their own crystals.
No, every have same form of crystal. Like they can make same process of crystallization. We can follow same process of crystallization to form crystal of any salt. Maximum salt, not any salt we can say, but maximum salt we can.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So we'll end this class. I hope you enjoyed the class. Yes.
How come they didn't put it in ice?